How to use Blackbox AI Full Guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Blackbox AI. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for blackbox.ai, and after that you have to log in or sign up to your Blackbox account. And after signing up, you'll redirect to this web page, and after here you can see in the interface there is an option called message Blackbox or and mention at the agent. You can just simply use it for web browsing or a AI chatbot, like give me 5 amazing niches for YouTube. So it will now generate and give you the 5 amazing niches, as you can see from here. And after that, you can also use this black box as a app builder, like this one. If you click on the app builder, it will show you the websites and everything, as you can see here. And from here you can describe what you want to build, an app, a game, or anything you want to build. So let's just go for a game. Build a game like snake game in Nokia. So let's just click on enter, and it's processing. So while it's processing, it needs your payment method options, like it needs your card informations and cardholder's name and everything. So you need to have the paid version to use the app builder. So that's how you can use Blackbox AI in 2025. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.